Heat wave's over, let's get a tarp banged up. So as you can see, and here, it's back to normal in the UK. Heat wave's over and it's throwing it down in Yorkshire. Let's get some cover up overhead. And I'm going to show you a really cool trick using this little thing that was shown to me the other week. And for the purposes of this video, we're not putting an adjustable hitch on this line. We'll show you why in just a second. Okay, so the more keen-eyed amongst us might have noticed that the setup's changed a little bit. While we've been filming, the rain has come down a lot heavier. It got a lot darker, so we had to kind of mix things up a bit just to keep this video going. But the premise remains exactly the same. So all we've done, we've flown our tarp overhead just to give some coverage from that rain. But as you can see, it's started to drop in the middle. That means that one of the lines got a little bit slacker. So let's have a look and see if we can find out which one it is. So this back line has lost a lot of its tension, as you can see, which results in that like dip in the middle of our cover, which we don't want. We want to try to put the tension back in it, but as you saw, we've tied a timber hitch on that and we can't adjust it. That's where this little guy comes in handy. So the first thing we're going to do is just take the carabiner, clip it onto our guy. Then, and this is where it gets a little bit not tricky, but the line can get a little bit caught up. All you're going to do is spin the carabiner. In rotating the carabiner, whilst on the guy line, what we're doing is pulling this side of the tarp closer to us. It's difficult to capture on camera, but if you give it a go, you can see it with your own eyes. Then, all you need to do, put the rest of the line through the carabiner, safe as houses. I realise no one's reinventing the wheel with this, and it's probably been done a million times, but it was only shown to me really recently, and I thought it was a nifty little trick, especially if you get caught out in inclement weather, you're in a little bit of a rush, and you're not too familiar with adjustable knots. I'm going to try and wait out this weather, and until next time, go explore.